My country people for Southern Cameroons, I bring everybody plenty salute. And the date for today, na number 10 day for America, but already number 11 day for the month of September for the year 2020. My people, I come today again with plenty glad for my heart because of the degree of cooperation we are seeing on the ground and already coming into among all the various movements, groups, and organizations for this we struggle for total freedom abroad. I come right now for reinforce and clarify this message about this very important operation: no motorbikes, no cars. And I think we don't get a very successful week, a very successful period. We don't send across a great message. I don't mean say we the end them, because we go only end when we don't attain that objective. I sure say all we know, all country people they know say when snake attack you, you start fight that snake. If you hit it small just for your head, leave and check so you don't do something, your tail go come from back. When it go touch you, you no go woke up. It go be na your end that. You don't finish once and for all. So when you want to do something, do them all the way to the end. So after discussions with all the stakeholders, we don't talk for everybody will be involved even a bit. So one them, they go come back to we this 11th of September when a Friday, so that make we complete the agreements on how to move forward. But the vast majority of the others who don't talk to, we don't come to a consensus. And that consensus now say, today, Friday, this Friday, when September 11, all motorbikes, all motodem, everybody from Mezam County, for the city of Bamenda, be free for circulate. Circulate freely. Go everywhere. Say, all motorbikes, all motodem, circulate, go everywhere. They talk for this world, say open eye, na for taken. We get for solve this problem once and for all. We don't at least send a message across for all these people from La République du Cameroun, for colonial governor Lele Lafrique, Adolphe de Ben Chofo, for the impostor so-called city mayor, Achobang Paul, and for every other person who will be involved. We don't make this message very clear for them. During this week, they will try for hold some meetings with some of the actors, with some of the officials and for the commercial motorbike riders, their trade unions. And they try for tell them some kind of funny messages and try for check. Say this so they feel use money where they know how to use them best. For bribe a few, may they talk, say, okay, may we just leave this measure, may it go in place. But unfortunately for them, all that information be relayed to we. And so we tell they say that divide and rule, it no go work. They don't reach out to for taxi drivers, trade unions. They try for make them understand, say, they send away motorbikes them from those main routes inside city, from all the places they make money. Say, may they go right inside village, inside quarter them, so that make taxi drivers and make more money. So they want make taxi drivers they understand who they may they support them for take this measure. My country people, know this and know very well. You see, when they can't tell you, give you that kind of message, try for deceive you. Now, because they want divide you. They want divide the taxi drivers unions and the motorbike riders union, with all them they under the main umbrella structure of transporters union. They want divide them because they believe say the only way for succeed now for divide. Whenever they see say they will be united, the only way they feel succeed for break we, for destroy we resolve, now for divide we. But that one they don't fail because we don't get all that information. I no go work. I want to tell my brothers where they be taxi driver, may they understand some one thing. You see, when Mr. Paul Biya be decide, say poverty go become a public policy inside Cameroon. What he be do? For make sure say make it work, he isolate some cause, people that we know say this one them, they easily bring me plenty trouble, is start paying them fine. That's why we start first only with soldiers. They went police people them, they want make noise because that soldiers they be involved gendarmes. They pay them very well. You see, possibly being just adjutant chef in the earned salary way, even 6-star. 6-star for police. Where they make our call and say commissaire for English, commissioner. A senior, you get senior superintendent, after senior superintendent and a 5-star get commissioner. Where even commissioner, nobody get money where a common gendarme major, if they get them. But time where they discover, say, police and two, they carry gun them, they carry stick them, so they fit start do terrible things them, they decide to now for arrange their own salary situation for say, may they shut up, they stay quiet. Then they can't discover, say, teachers them, now another quarter where they feel bring too much trouble because they over plenty and they feel ground schools, they feel easily rock the peace. They decide, say, okay, since teachers they get plenty numbers, them all that kind of thing, they made them give them status. After late pass Simon Quinty, they be lead plenty strike them. Each time they lead strike, they go add us more. So they go some side stuff for them, but at least they get salary will be slightly better than other civil servants. Go look medical doctors, they go sorry them. Go look journalists there there for public service, you go sorry them. Look people there for other, even civil administrators or so, you go sorry them. They can't see and say, if they no privileged magistrates, now magistrates them, they get for playing gang for inside courts them when election day for lie say CPDM don't win. They say no, may they give them to special status, pay them good allowances and all or not. Then they talk say now so government need media where they go to make plenty noise to support them. So me update CRTV. So they come for CRTV, go for Cameroon Tribune, take the journalists where they work for CRTV and for Cameroon Tribune, put it for different level of payment. Yes, me, when I update CRTV, I'll be the get salary about 4 times plus, which way my colleagues who come out the same school, should on the same bench, where they did for Ministry of Communication, they get them. The reason, simply divide and rule. And as they make and that way, it becomes difficult. They make all civil servants who cause one day talk say, salary must improve. Because they don't broke them, fragment them. That the only way that Mr. Paul Biya does succeed for keep himself in power for Cameroon for this long time. Now that approach, they don't use them for many years for keep we divided. Because at first they will succeed for make that one they call a northwest people for northern zone and put the southern zone made and divide. But unfortunately for them, by 2016, all my head clear will unite. So when consortium be start, for 2016, you see, they be denied, they not hold one meeting where they bring in lawyers and teachers and all the trade unions and civil society organizations they'll be represented for. They know they one whole meeting separate with lawyers, separate with teachers, separate everybody, so that it will be easy for knock people their heads them, they may they confuse, they may they see how forget their way, they break way. But unfortunately, we'll be stay strong, glued together. Now why that way them fail? Inside the struggle, time be day where all will be extremely united. I'm sure all my feel remember. Say for 2017, leading up to September 22, 2017, all activists will be talking now one mouth. Now why that we get that big crowd on the 22nd of September? Because all man be the talk, all roads lead only to that Takumbang, that demonstration. So they don't realize, say, united will be too strong. Now why did they do everything possible at every standpoint for divide we? So this time we don't tell them, say no. Time for confuse a day. Time for wise up a day. Now King Solomon talk for inside Bible for the book of Ecclesiastes. Say there is a season for everything. Time for foolish, time for wise. Time for confused, time for go back for correct road. Time for, talk foolish and time for talk sense. My country people, this one, now the time where we don't wise up seriously. Even people that among we, if they decide for throw a fight, someone stands on side the blonde dungame say, make una fight. I go look up about far, I go tell you, say, you go fight you one because I no go accept that fight. Not foolish fight. We get for the come together as we come together now like this. Taxi driver, motorbike driver, now one. Motorbike rider, now one. No man if it divide we. I show we don't see how even civilians them, especially civilians them, market women them, traders, truck pushers them, all they don't stand up like one person say, One for all for one. Say now in solidarity with the commercial motorbike riders. Them. So taxi drivers, make them no fool winner. Make them no fool any of we at all. We go stay glued. So today, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all man back for road. From Monday, we go back to operation no bike, no cars. And we go to evaluate as we don't agree with the union leaders. We go to evaluate daily for see how the situation they go. Because no man born of a woman go come for we town for Abakwa. Abakwa of all. Can't talk say one confiscate with birthright. I sure all we don't see the intimidation. I woke up this morning of the 10th, the morning of the 10th of September. Now message where they come for me from upstation for hotspot. Highway soldiers they come, knock every person, you don't even woman them. Talk, you go open all things. They go lift your mattress, they go look under bed, they go search everywhere. They go everyone talks and say, may you move your clothes. And may they see even you are naked because they search you. Then what did they do? They collect money. When they see money, they take them. They collect electrical appliances. They collect any kind of fine where they see them, they collect them. Especially if you no get receipt, they just take advantage, they collect them. No paper say you can't claim out and say no, now all that. Now thief people them. Thief people them. And they call and send operation clean Bamenda. Clean Bamenda of waiting. Clean Bamenda of we money. Clean Bamenda of we property. Clean Bamenda of we dignity. Clean Bamenda of every good thing we define we. Now the protection that way General Nka said that they want to give we, my country people, we don't face that thing right up to this moment. None of we, nobody ever claim, say this thing, it go job in a kunya waka, so quick, we just reach boya stand, boom. We be no say, fight go day. But we'll be prepared, say we go overcome. And now the glad mignon way there for my heart, no man of you know. Because all country people there for Southern Cameroons, they show every day. So be ready for work they talk. Something there inside Bible. Where they talk say, you count the cost, you pay the price. Counting the cost, paying the price. We know, say freedom, now the most expensive commodity we figure them. Although it sound free. Because you come up from your mama, you be left free and everything. But for enjoy that freedom with man, with all your wickedness, you gave for fight again. Fight so sometimes you go fight until the last drop of your breath. But my country people, we don't count the cost from the beginning. We know say it no go easy. I'll be declared to be ready for pay the price. So we'll go fight all the way to the finish line. No man no go overcome we. I say when I see Mr. Kamto, Professor Maurice Kamto now, don't tell people they say may they follow which will be due on 22nd of September for La Republique. When I hear you don't tell them, see if we not try, we go show on a pepe. You know why they talk so? Because they know say francophones them. That people they for La Republique. See they give for shoot gun for only one person, twice. Oh man go enter under a bed. Then come on show head for outside as I say, hey, usa bought a beer day. They go call some few one them for some cartier them, give them few bottle beer, give them sardine, give them bread, give them so on the 5,000, 3,000. Say make Unajo report any man one day. The next day, brah, you don't collapse. They don't try with we. They see and say we be humans. We get dignity. We get self-pride. We be people who will live a purposeful life. We know which way we want. I'll be ready for sacrifice seriously for attain which way we want. I'll be extremely proud of Southern Cameroonians. We'll be a special breed. We'll be a special species. God make we complete. Make we so complete. Go finish them with all faculty them. Make our eye that they shine well. We need a lost sense. No one eye time. Now, whether they don't try go up, try come down, try go left, try go right, then if we break, we resolve. So, another thing, we don't try for do one. They don't call Bamileke men them, where they be motorbike riders, for inside Bamenda. Bamileke men them, when a taxi drivers inside Bamenda, for tell them, say, make them support their papa when a governor, Lele Lafrique. Say make them come out for road, make them defy the order where the people them, the civil community don't decide, the peaceful resistance. So when they defy this peaceful resistance by coming out of their taxi them, by coming out of their motorbikes them for play agent provocateur. So that many people them attack them, may they talk say, Southern Cameroonians them, they like to violate human rights. My dear brothers and sisters, we wanna be Bamileke people living for we land. May we not know this. They talk right inside Bible. Say when you go for Rome, do what with the Romans they do. Now remember, when they want to teach Jesus Christ, those Romans they ask you, say, may they pay tax. When did Jesus talk? Say, give me that coin. The guy say, now who he pays this for this coin? They say, na Caesar. He said, give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar, and give to God what belongs to God. Una day for we learn. Una see would you do something they resist for right. Make una follow instructions. Make una obey. We people them. We then day for la République du Cameroon territory. We don't instruct them every time. Anything they don't do for that side, make them obey. Now, why they would have noticed? They always obey. Mr. Kamto don't call for demonstrations on the 22nd. We not go see any of the people that go come out, go for they say that they go obstruct or they go one for in place the agent provocateur or the spies. They not go do them because we know human dignity. We know what it means for people that for stand up for their rights. So when a Bamileke people, when a day inside Bamenda, inside Abakwa, when a respect ourselves. When I respect ourselves. It is very important. Make una not forget. When that same La République be the kill when a papa, when a mama, when a ancestors in the late 50s. Now there were plenty of our ancestors that come with people that for Southern Cameroons at the time. With open borders, receive them. Receive una papa them, una mama them. Keep them. Give them land. Some of them say to give you picking them, they marry them. Now hospitality be that. We be support till we not say correct. But today, when I do want make like say we're foolish for us or we right. We're gonna be very careful. Very careful. Because tomorrow, when I go and run again from that very country for come for Southern Cameroon, because we go be independent. Nothing no go stop we. We'll go absolutely be independent. Someone I think about tomorrow. Tomorrow still day. When I go run come, you go need to get some more open borders. I said that time, we go try for recall how na be the behave. We will be there for darkest moments, for the darkest moments of our history when and now. So make una take serious note. You be Bamileke man, you be Bamileke woman inside Bamenda, inside Boya, inside Kumba, inside Limbe. Respect yourself. Give to Caesar what is Caesar's and give to God what is God's. Respect the decisions of the people of the land. That's so it is. Very important. May we take note. And then, for come up for this conversation, I be promised, said during this conversation today, I will talk about that responsibility to protect. But this story don't belong. So I will leave them. I'll carry them forward to Sunday. Sunday I'll come for talk mainly about that responsibility to protect. Because it's very important, me all man know what happened. And I will talk some more about that resolution where some US senators they don't prepare them for pass them for Congress. It is very important, these two things. But before I go, take this very important message. I don't get information from military sources for Bamenda, right for General Kai office. So what they don't do, as they bring plenty people there from Kutaba, other side so, they don't put plenty of them in civilian clothes. They wear only civilian clothes like you and me, so what did they do? They work now like hawkers. They hawk puff. They hawk clothes them. They hawk cellular phone. They hawk all kinds of things. They walk around like poor boy the way they walk at the setting them from door to door, from quartier to quartier. They will enter all quartiers that they sell for struggle for their lives. Na soldiers, well armed. Their role na for gather information. If you see any strange hawker for your neighborhood, no say they so na people where they come for here for gather any information and for set up people. Make all man be careful. I sure all man don't hear this information. Take them very serious. When I go see plenty of them, when I just even listen to their accent, you go know. So one them now with brothers and sisters the way they inside army, where they don't decide say they be ready for sell their soul for the devil, for destroy their own people. This independence we will fight them, it will concern even their picking them. But we know my way to what they do now. Bible talk say, my people die because of lack of knowledge. That knowledge never yet penetrate into their heads. The day we go enter, they go understand. So take note, plenty of them hawkers in civilian attire, they go enter bar, pretend say they sell, you turn left and right, they be well armed and they get equipment for record. They even get pen there, they work out, then when they take picture, they go take even video for try for see if they fit gather information for go talk say this person be there this place, nothing is way be they do. Make we be vigilant. Make we stay with eyes them wide open. Victory now we portion. Nothing no go stop we. So for conclude and for a recap, this Friday, September 11, all commercial motorbikes for everywhere inside Bamenda out. All people the way they get motor, them private motor, taxi, everyone out. All business people out. And make we take note. We'll go stand only Monday. The following day, from Tuesday now, no commercial motorbike everywhere inside Bamenda, no motor car. No be locked down. We mean say markets again for be open, shops again for be open. People they go there about on food do their thing them. I see someone say it be funny. He make a laugh and say yes, but people they sabi create. They sabi make fun out of a bad situation so that at least we'll continue to be strong as we go forward. I see some truck pusher now, need to carry na kako, need to carry everything, they carry na humans. You negotiate, 4 people they enter, 2 for left, 2 for right, and then they move, worker, there they go, and it create laughter, it create fun, but it give we that spirit, that courage for continue. My people, God don't decree. Say we set time for be free now. We go fight all the way. Nothing no go stop we. I throw a big salute and big thank you for all the movements and for the struggle, because every person they put hands on deck, say me we succeed. October 1 go be a wonderful rendezvous. We go come back to that one. We don't first talk them. I'll come back to that one. I will also see all activists that are going to tell all we country people the importance of asserting ourselves on October 1. We no go tire. We no go tire. We no go green nonsense. And we no go tire. To God be all the glory.